place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
2022 Honda ADV350 is rumored to have arrived for the European market. The adventure-style scooter also enlivened Honda's appearance at the 2021 EICMA exhibition, which took place from 25 to the 28th of November in Milan, Italy. The success of the Honda X-ADV as Honda's best-selling two-wheeler product in Europe prompted the manufacturer to expand its product line. Here comes the Honda ADV350, which carries a character similar to its big brother, but uses a smaller engine. The new ADV350 is made at Honda's factory in Atessa, Italy, combining the sophistication of a premium scooter with the ability to deal with the roughest asphalt, and comes with a tough, adventurous styling, wrote Honda Global in a press release. On closer inspection, the appearance of the front of this motorbike is equipped with dual LED headlights which are positioned quite high above the wheels. Then there is a windscreen that can be adjusted in 2 levels of height. Specifications of Honda ADV350. The toughness of this motorbike bulldozing difficult road terrain cannot be separated from the specifications of the legs. The manufacturer pinned the front suspension upside down 37mm equipped with 120/70-15 wheels, while at the rear using tires measuring 140/70-14. The power source used is the enhanced Smart Power Plus, especially Plus, SOHC 330cc engine with the highest power of 28.8 horsepower and maximum torque of 31.5 Nm. The manufacturer also equipped this model with Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC.